In the realm of wireless mobile devices, a relevant topic is design patents. What we've seen is that different smartphone manufacturers have very distinctive designs, and in terms of what they're allowed to do, they're also limited by the existing design patents that their competitors might have. One of the examples we discussed in our patent engineering class was Apple's patent on the rounded edges for their smartphones and their tablets. And this ended up being sort of a litigation case when Samsung also came out with a tablet that had rounded corners. So design patents are really important, and in my curiosity, I discovered that design patents were different from functional patents. And in terms of what can be filed as a design patent, it usually refers to the design rather than the utility. And I was slightly confused as to design patents versus trademarks, and it turns out that a piece of art, for example, can be protected by both of them. For example, one of them was the contour bottle of Coca-Cola, and this was both a design patent as well as a US registered trademark. So it's really interesting that for a lot of the up and rising smartphone manufacturers, they're coming up with designs, and they have designs in their R&D departments, and they haven't released them yet, but they're already patented and secured. And it's just interesting to think of all of the different designs that companies haven't yet come up with. So it really will be very competitive to, let's say, be creative with, a square shape. Now that rounded corners are taken, what's next? So it's going to be competitive, and perhaps the design patents will enable other companies to innovate more upon the size and the shape and the look of wireless devices.